Hey, I'm Kristel Wetjen. I'm the pediatric trauma program manager at the Children's Hospital. And although my primary job is getting kids better from injury, I'm really passionate about preventing the injury altogether. Injury prevention is really important to me. And currently, as a parent of 3 girls, I'm living a parent's biggest injury prevention nightmare. I have a teenage driver. This is Ella. She's 15 and she is driving a car. So you may wonder, why am I so nervous about having a teenage driver? Well, the reason I'm so nervous is a leading cause of death and injury in 14 to 20-year-olds are motor vehicle crashes involving teen drivers. They don't have experience, they haven't been out on the road before, and let's be real, they're high risk takers, right? We've all been around teenagers. So teaching them how to drive safely and avoid distractions is really, really important. So what are some ways you as a parent can help get your kid ready to drive? We don't want it to be dangerous for them. We want them to learn how to do it safely. So Iowa helps us out. We have a graduated driver's license law in our state that helps us understand, or helps our kids understand, when they get to move to each different level of responsibility, slowly introducing them to more distractions, different times of day. But really, as a parent, the most important thing you can do for your kid to teach them how to drive is drive all the time. Let them drive as much as you can when you are with them. So I said the best thing you can do is drive. So we're going to show you a few things we do when we drive to make sure Ella gets as much expertise as she can. So one of the most important things we did early as we were teaching Ella how to drive is learn how to scan the road for distractions. So we played the what if game. The what if game is when you're coming up to a driveway, such as this one, if there was a car there, what if a car pulled out right now? What would you do?
Stop or turn to the right or left, because we got a road that way.
So in teaching about scanning, it's just important to engage your kids while they're driving, because how many times do your teenagers get in the car and immediately start looking at their phone? Right? A lot. So we need to get them engaged in what's happening so they can learn what we're looking for when we're driving down the street, so nothing surprises them. Okay, parents, here's another thing. If you have 2 parents or more grandparents, anybody else who are willing to teach your teenager how to drive, talk to each other first. Who can actually teach them how to drive? I'm going to be honest. I take care of trauma patients. I was scared. I was really scared, and I knew I probably wasn't the best first person to teach Ella how to drive. So my husband got that job of teaching her initially. And the first time she drove on ice, he took her to the parking lot and made her spin donuts so she could learn how to get out of them. But we talked about that early. I wasn't appropriate for that part of her upbringing, so he did it. We made it home safe and sound. So we hope you learned a few things today about how to teach your teenagers how to drive, how to keep them safe while they're driving. What are we going to do?
Keep our cell phones away and not let our passengers distract us.
And follow the graduated driver's licensing laws and enjoy your kids getting to this new stage in their life. Thanks for watching.